Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Discord notification sound on PC. First, open Discord and log into your account. Next, click on the Ton User Settings icon, the small gear next to your username at the bottom left. From the left menu, scroll down and click Notifications. Here, you will see different notification options and sounds. To change your notification sound, look for Quotient Sounds or Chan Sound Pack. Settings. Some Discord versions let you choose from default sounds or turn sounds off completely. After selecting your preferred sound, scroll down and make sure Enable Desktop Notifications is on if you want alerts outside Discord. Finally, test it by sending a message in another server or channel to hear your new notification sound. That's it. You have successfully changed your Discord notification sound.